Want to turn off auto answer calls on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you'll have full control over when to answer calls manually. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto answer calls on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. On your Apple Watch. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Accessibility. Now scroll down again. Find the Auto Answer Calls feature. Now toggle this off. Method 2. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Accessibility. Scroll down again. Find the Auto Answer Calls feature. Now toggle this off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off auto answer calls on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, but if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye for now.